This video will cover the installation of an Eco battery in an Epic golf cart with a stock 4x2 lead-acid configuration. Remove the seat. Put your tow run switch in the off position. If you haven't already, remove all stock lead-acid batteries. Tidy battery tray if needed. Remove stock mounting rods. Install your Eco battery mounting plates as shown. The one with the cutout will go on the driver's side. Install mounting plate hardware. Remove any zip ties holding down charger and battery-related cables. Disconnect your main charger connection, charger interlock, charger can, and LED status light. Remove charger hardware. Remove charger. Install your charger mounting plate using the factory hardware. Install your Eco battery charger and hardware. Connect your A-4008 to the charger. Connect the other end to the factory charge lead. Drop in your battery with the terminals on the passenger side. Install battery hold-down hardware. Connect your main negative and negative charging lead to the negative terminal. Connect your main positive and positive charging lead to the positive terminal. Torque to 8 foot-pounds or 96 inch-pounds. Replace terminal covers. Connect your A-4113 5-pin communication cable to COM port 2. Connect cart can to one of the can connections coming off your A-4113 and connect the charger can to the other. It does not matter which one. Connect charger interlock relay coming off the charger to the pigtail connector. Splice the Eco battery charger interlock into the factory charger interlock as shown. It does not matter which one. You are just completing a circuit. Use a heat shrink gun if needed. Turn on your battery. Ensure your battery is on the latest firmware using the EB Power app. Using the EB Power app, set your CAN communication to Icon Epic. Select Eco Battery, then select your battery. The name will be your battery serial number, settings, CAN protocol, Icon Epic. Save. Put your tow run switch in run mode. Replace the seat. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our support team. Thank you for supporting Eco Battery.